Before Italy became a country, it was an idea shared by millions of people who had never lived under the same flag, who spoke different dialects, followed different rulers, and often considered themselves citizens of their city rather than citizens of Italy. Yet one song would help change that, a song written before Italy existed, a song that gave a divided people a common voice. And long before Italy appeared on the map, it began to live in the hearts of Italians. This is the story behind Italy's national anthem. Today, Italy appears as a single nation, but for most of its history, it was deeply divided. In the north, powerful states like Venice and Milan controlled trade and wealth. In the center, the papal states ruled under the authority of the Pope. In the south, kingdoms rose and fell beneath foreign dynasties. There was no united Italy, no national government, no national army, and no national anthem. The dream of unity seemed distant, perhaps impossible. Yet across the peninsula, a new generation began imagining something different. In the 19th century, a movement emerged that would transform Italy forever. It became known as the Risorgimento, the revival. Its supporters believed Italians shared more than geography. They shared a common culture, a common history, and a common future. Writers, students, soldiers, and revolutionaries began calling for unity. Among them was Giuseppe Mazzini, a man whose dream would inspire thousands. Soon, those ideas spread across the peninsula like wildfire. In 1847, a young student named Goffredo Mameli sat down to write. Italy did not yet exist, but Mameli believed it soon could. His words were not written for kings, nor for governments. They were written for the people. The opening words were powerful. Brothers of Italy. For the first time, many Italians heard a song that spoke to all of them as one people. Soon, composer Michel Novaro gave the poem its melody, and together their work became known as Il Canto degli Italiani. The timing could not have been more dramatic. Europe was entering an age of revolution. In 1848, uprisings erupted across the continent. Italy was no exception. The song echoed through city streets, across battlefields, and among volunteers fighting for unity. For many, it became the soundtrack of a dream, a simple idea. Italy was not merely a collection of states. Italy was a nation, and nations deserve freedom. The road to unity was long. Wars were fought, alliances were forged, sacrifices were made. Figures like Count Cavour, Giuseppe Garibaldi, and King Victor Emmanuel II helped shape the future. Piece by piece, the peninsula came together. Then, in 1861, the Kingdom of Italy was proclaimed. For the first time, most Italians lived beneath one flag. Despite its popularity, Italy's anthem followed an unusual path. It remained beloved by the people, yet it was never officially adopted. Governments changed, monarchies fell, republics emerged. Still, Mameli's song endured because it represented something deeper than politics. It represented the birth of Italy itself. After the Second World War, Italy became a republic. The anthem continued to be sung and embraced by the public. Yet surprisingly, its legal status remained unresolved. Then, in 2017, more than 150 years after it was written, Italy officially recognized Il Canto degli Italiani as its national anthem. A remarkable journey for a song written before the country itself existed. Today, millions of Italians know the opening words, Fratelli d'Italia. They are more than lyrics. They are a reminder that nations are often born first in the imagination, then in the hearts of people, and only later on the map. Because sometimes a song does not celebrate a nation, sometimes it helps create one. And that is the story behind Italy's national anthem.